So, come home last night. Today's Sunday. Come home last night after a long, grueling, hard day of work. Evening of work. Come home, I'm walking through the carport here, pull up. I just happen to look back, I'm like, what is that under my truck? It's like, what is that? Man, I was like, there's a spot that I looked at. It shouldn't be wet down there. So last night, off the hood and looking down in there. Oh, crap. You can see that water down below the water pump. Or that coolant down below the water pump. So I get to put a water pump in that thing, which it ain't too hard. Take the serpentine belt off and 2 bolts, pull the water pump off. It's pretty easy. But anyway, for any of y'all that catch this, and I'll title it Cummins. Whatever, I don't guess I need to tell you that, huh? But it's a 2008 6.7 Cummins. So, alright. Okay, so take the serpentine belt off and take said hammer and just put it right down in there like that and smack it, dude, a good lick, and boom, comes right off. And we're done with the hammer. So you can see where I pulled this bolt loose right here on both sides, which I had them out so I could get my big fat arms down in there. But you can see, and I done wiped that off. It was wet right there. We can see that pan down there. It's wet. Them 2 bolts. So I just fed it right up through here. Pulled it right up through there. Squished that back. Pulled that back and pulled it right up through there. So, but mine was leaking out of the weep hole, but you can still see the water in it right there. Okay. Yeah. So that's what you get for not driving it. This thing's got 140,000 miles on it. I hardly ever drive it. And buddy of mine was like, we gotta go on a road trip. We gotta go look at a trailer. It's like, all right, well, let's go. And it was like 500 miles, and then that was a couple days ago. And then last night, after my hard day's work, night at work, come home and I seen that under the truck. I said, crap. So I guess it was time for a coolant change anyway, and a water pump. 140,000 miles. Yeah. Okay. All right. So there it is. Oh, it's infamy. In there. And there it is, all back together. I can say it is a little bit of a pain to get both arms down in there to hold the water pump up in there while you put the bolt, if I get the first bolt started. But other than that, pretty easy. I don't know, maybe it took me an hour to do it, maybe. Which I did have my granddaughter out here. She was helping a little bit too, so you know how that works out. All right, well, there it is. Put some fluid in it, put some coolant in it. Bleed some air out of it. Right over there, in case you guys, anybody wondering. Right there, see that? Vent here during coolant fill. So, don't forget that part. Your little air bubble. Detrimental. I'll chalk this one up as a win. No leaks. Everything's good to go. You can hear me. Oh, we're out loud, that's a truck. No leaks, good to go. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. The end.